Well, I got rugged. Yeah, that's not the way you expected this video to start out, I bet. What just happened to you right now is pretty much the feeling of getting rugged, except that instead of losing a few moments of your time, you potentially lose thousands of dollars. Okay. Emotions aside, I did get rugged by an NFT product called Stars Lab. Their unique selling point was this little NFT digital display called a HoloCube. Essentially, by buying one of these Star Lab NFTs, you would get to redeem one physical HoloCube, which I was planning on putting in my office somewhere to display some of the NFTs I had in my collection. Well, long story short, that never came to fruition. And ever since, I've been trying to find a solution to what felt like a missing piece of my office. I've wanted to showcase and display my NFT collection in the real world for a while, and to be honest, I didn't have much luck finding great options for physical NFT displays. Sometimes when I put something out into the universe, it just tends to answer me. Just a few months later, I was able to partner with a company called Netgear, which makes this thing right behind me called the Mural Canvas. It's a digital display that's specifically intended for displaying high quality digital art and collectibles. And they were so kind as to send me not one, but two of these mural canvases. While you can pretty much put any image, GIF, or video on here to display, they actually just set up a beta for NFTs, which allows you to load all of your NFTs from any major wallet right onto the canvas itself. In fact, starting next month, you'll even be able to connect your Solana blockchain NFTs using the Phantom wallet right onto your mural canvas display. Now, although we're going through a pretty rough bear market at the moment, and I've sold a bunch of my NFTs just to offload the ones I didn't think would survive, I do still have a couple NFTs left in my collection, and you can probably see those cycling through on my canvas right now. The Cool Cats, the Doge Pound, Three Landers are some of the NFTs I'm still holding, and I actually have it so that it rotates through these all day long, so I can see each one of them just a little bit throughout the day. Almost one full year ago, when I first started buying NFTs, I really didn't think there was a need for a physical display for these digital images. But that all changed one day when a friend of mine came over and asked to see my NFTs. He said it would be so much cooler if I could just display them like I display my YouTube plaques over here or my other canvases that I hang up on the wall in my office. And to his point, it would be a much better viewing experience. Well, here you go, Noah, because now I can proudly display any of my static or even my animated NFTs in high resolution with vibrant colors on this canvas. Look at that My Pet Hooligan, bro. So clean. Once I got my Doge Pound on here, and you can even see this Three Landers right now, I was surprised at how amazing and how vibrant the colors do pop. You can also see on some of these more detailed pictures, like the one of me and my fiance Jess, or the My Pet Hooligan NFT, just how sharp the detail is on the display. The canvas also comes with an app that allows you to customize your canvas and your image playlists. Not only that, but these canvases do come in different sizes and different colors. You can see I have the black frame on this one because it matches the rest of the furniture in my room. Now currently I have mine leaning up against the wall on this little cubby right here, but you can actually mount it on the wall and have it be vertical or horizontal, and you can actually rotate it back and forth between the two while it's still hanging up. I gotta say, out of the research I've done so far, there are not a ton of options when it comes to displaying your digital collectibles or your NFTs on the wall for everyone to see when they come into your house or office. And I gotta say, this mural canvas is probably one of, if not the best options that exists right now for a reasonable price point. And so with that, I have to give some love to Mural Canvas for sending over this amazing display and for also being the sponsor of this video. As you can probably tell from this video, I would definitely recommend picking up one of these if you also want to showcase your NFTs or really any digital content in your home or your office, or even if you own a storefront or a business, you could put this up there and use it for a menu or to display new marketing material or whatever you want. There are a dozen ways to utilize this project, and you can learn more about it using the link in the description down below. I think digital displays will become more and more popular as NFTs and digital collectibles inevitably grow over the next decade. I expect we will also see these displays become more and more advanced, and the interaction with motion or maybe even eye control might potentially make it even easier to use and more interactive. Who knows, at some point in the next decade, these might even be as good as holographs or holograms that pop out of the canvas itself and allow you to experience these digital 3D assets in the real physical world. This is almost exactly the opposite of what the metaverse is, where we are putting ourselves into a virtual world and being immersed in it. What if we could take the art out of the digital or virtual world and into the real world. It's almost like augmented reality, but from a purpose of a showcasing of your art or digital displays. Let me know what you think about all this in the comments down below. We'll see you guys next time. Have a fantastic day.